Today we're making Princess Skye and Princess Peppa. For Skye, we'll use white, light pink, and dark pink to make her crown. Let's start with the crown. Crown is ready. Let's start the wand. Now a little bit of the hot pink in the top to make more of a swirl look. Now light pink. Skye sure is magical with her wand and crown. Now for Peppa. For Peppa, we will use red, black, yellow, and purple to make her crown. Peppa, you're so silly. So many jewels for her crown. Now we'll make a fancy color for her dress. Peppa is ready to be royal.